Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return by yourself. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes income statements like your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Also, collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as receipts for charitable donations or medical expenses. Having your Social Security number and prior tax returns handy will also be very helpful. Next, decide how you'll file. Many people use tax software, which guides you through the process step by step. There are also free online filing options available if your income is below a certain threshold, often around $79,000. You'll need to choose between taking the standard deduction or itemizing, depending on which provides a greater tax benefit for your situation. Now it's time to enter your information. Carefully input all your income details, deductions, and credits into your chosen software. Be meticulous, as even small errors can cause delays. Once everything is entered, thoroughly review your entire return. Check for any typos, especially in Social Security numbers and bank account details, to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Finally, it's time to file your return. Most people choose to e-file, which is fast and secure. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them by the deadline to avoid penalties. If you're due a refund, you can often opt for direct deposit. Remember to keep a copy of your filed return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years, just in case you need them later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.